For real, bro. For real. Oh yeah, Vegas, I'll never go there no more. That's dead. And that shit. They better not ever invite me to Vegas. I'll never go there. If they don't give me the sign that it's snowing out that bitch, I ain't going. Who this is with where your grandma at? This nigga got on an orange do-rag? What the fuck? This nigga think it's Halloween? Give me your Instagram, cuz. This nigga got on an orange do-rag trying to crack. This nigga sassy as a bitch. You know he go to sleep with a bonnet on. What wrong with this nigga? This nigga tripping. This nigga, what the fuck? He got on a do-rag and a hoodie? Yeah, this nigga been too crazy. You can't trust a nigga like that. He don't want you to see what's going on up under that motherfucking cap. He got so much Beijing on that motherfucker. He got cradle cap. Ain't no way you hide. Ain't, man, what? What in the fuck? This man here different. What the fuck? Nigga on the do-rag and the hoodie. You gotta have on, what that shit is? Dandruff. He got dandruff. He got dandruff caked up under that shit. I'm telling you, you gotta let that shit breathe, nephew. And that beard, what's that dude that was with Snoop Dogg? Not Snoop Dogg, Ice Cube. Used to have that shit twisted up. West Side Connection. When they used to have that bitch, platted up at the bottom. He ain't even plat that shit. Cause I don't know what the fuck wrong with you. That beard. You need to call Rick Ross to get that beard oil. Call Ross and Cali to get that beard oil. That shit, that looks crazy. You need to put the do-rag on the beard. You got that bitch in the wrong place. That fuck nigga on the do-rag and the motherfucking hoodie at the same time. I've never seen a nigga do that. That nigga dangerous. He'll rob you, then fix his hair. That nigga, that different, boy. Get his ass out of talking about Jamaican crab. The fuck is a Jamaican crab? Is there such thing as a Jamaican crab?
You never heard of it. Jamaica don't even got crab.
Jamaica don't even got crab, man. They might, but damn. That nigga said Jamaican crab. The fuck? Man, crazy. Cuz, put this up. This a female trying to crack. I gotta get it to her. Hold on. That's a pink booty? That's like a pink booty too. Let me see. Oh, she wasn't in. They go on an adventure with your head ass. Oh, I thought she said long head ass. My fault. My fault. My fault. God, forgive me. My motherfucking lie. I'm tired of looking at that damn ugly ass picture. God damn. The fuck? Fuck. Damn, cuz. Hope it ain't get me. I'm gonna be so sick. Nigga bought my shit.